birthday, Auntie Alma. More birthdays to come. God bless you.
Hi man, happy birthday. Wish you good health always and more blessing to come. I miss you and I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi Mana Alma, happy birthday. I pray nga ang God nga mag-grant ang desire sa inyo kasing-kasing. God bless and thank you for being a mana to all of us. Happy birthday!
Mana, happy birthday. May anda na kuman. Tingod na kami ni Tani, mamarti dito. Mana, salamat ka Raja sa inyong pagkamaraja sa amo. Daon ka sa amo kung jay ang mga kakulian. Thank you so much. The best cousin ni Tani. Thank you very much. Kamu ni Mano, salamat ka Raja. I'll see you soon. Enjoy your birthday and more birthdays to come. Enjoy ni baby Sia, the baby princess.
Happy birthday sa amo nag-iisang kapatid na babazi na si Alma Ninin Asis Orbistondo na anak nila Aster ug Juanita Asis. Anako wish simple ra good health and many happy returns. Amorad to. Enjoy your birthday. Salamat sa tanan. Happy birthday. Di na pagtaason.
Hi Auntie Alma, happy birthday, more birthdays to come, and God bless.
Hi Mana, happy birthday. Dila na ko isulti pila edad. Pag makana ko mana, ang dami gyapon ko hotdog ug pork chop ha, maski bawal. Happy birthday, wish you more birthdays ug happiness. Na mo greet nimo mana.
Hi, happy birthday man. God bless.
Oh. Again, happy birthday kita kits pohon pag makalupad na kog balik. Bye, enjoy. Regards.
Happy birthday, Auntie Alma!
Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh.
Birthday, Auntie Lynn. Wish you all the best. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Nen. I hope you enjoy your day. And more blessings to you and to your family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mana Alma. We are looking forward for the occasions, for the celebrations, and fiestas. Kay makauli na sab kami. Thank you for the care, for the love. Nandiyan ka permi sa Orasyong family. Babanding gajud ang tanan samot na akong dyan tagay. Wish you good health always para man libod na dazon ta sa diri sa Cebu. Happy birthday, Mana. Miss you guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Ilan na edad ni Ma? Tiguyang na. Di na kasi giisog. Kay, ano mo yung kay manghamok ang wrinkles. Hindi na naktaso nak-message sa mga to. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, ate!
Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday!